Veggie Vocabulary. Learning about common vegetables in English. Hello there, English learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of vegetables, an essential part of our food and diet. We will look at common vegetables that you'll come across in daily conversations, grocery shopping, or when cooking in English. So, let's start expanding your English vocabulary, one veggie at a time. Now, let's talk about some common vegetables that you will encounter in the English language. Here's a list for you. Carrot, a long, narrow, orange vegetable. You might have heard of carrot soup or carrot cake. Potato, a brown, round vegetable that grows underground. They're used in dishes like mashed potatoes and French fries. Tomato, often mistaken as a fruit. Tomatoes are red, juicy vegetables used in salads, sandwiches, and pasta sauces. Broccoli, this is a green vegetable that looks like a small tree. Broccoli is often steamed or stir-fried. Onion, a round vegetable with a strong taste and smell. It's used in many dishes for flavor. Lettuce, a leafy green vegetable used mainly in salads and sandwiches. Remember, it's not just about knowing the words, but also understanding how they're used in context. Let's make the learning more practical by using these vegetables in sentences. 1. I am peeling the carrots for the soup. 2. Please pass me the potatoes. I want to make French fries. 3. She sliced the tomatoes for the salad. 4. I don't like the taste of broccoli, but it's good for health. 5. My eyes water when I chop onions. 6. He put some lettuce in his sandwich for extra crunch. By using these words in sentences, you can remember them more easily and understand their usage better. That wraps up our lesson on common vegetables in English. Remember, practice is key when it comes to learning new vocabulary. Try to use these new words in your daily conversations and writing. Hopefully, this video has helped expand your English vocabulary, making your conversations more diverse and interesting. Stay tuned for more fun and engaging English language lessons. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.